This is a quick explanation on how a service provider in South Africa can connect using carrier Ethernet to offshore locations such as peering points in Telehouse in London. So this is how they are most typically currently configured. In London there is a IP transit location that is typically requires the service provider to have an external BGP router that connects to it. The international submarine cables are typically configured with STM1 or 4 links back to South Africa, where they connected to an internal BGP router, and the internal BGP router connects internally into the ISP's internal network, where its subscribers then get connectivity. The way it should be done and using carrier Ethernet is firstly to get rid of the BGP routers that provide connectivity across the submarine cables, and to get rid of the STM1 and STM4 links on the international submarine cables and replace them with Ethernet. What this basically means is that the external BGP routers and the internal BGP routers are now hosted both locally in South Africa directly on the internal network, and on the international links carrier Ethernet switches are installed in both locations in London and in South Africa. What this basically means is that the actual connections and BGP sessions and peering sessions are all done remotely across carrier Ethernet directly to the peering points. And this is by far a better mechanism because it now allows everything to be done locally for as far as the management of the routers is concerned, and everything else is external and remote. This also allows the ISP in South Africa to connect to multiple external peering points automatically with very little effort. The other benefit is that a person can then locally automatically start peering with local peering partners such as those that are located at NAP Africa in Terrico and Nasanda.